The LaDePa machine is located at the wastewater treatment plant in Tongaat, a town located 40 kilometers from Durban. LaDePa is an abbreviation for Latrine Dehydration and Pasteurization. The machine can dry and pasteurize the fecal sludge collected from ventilated improved pit latrines within the eThekwini municipality. The first step to operating the LaDePa is to start the diesel generator, which provides the electricity and heat necessary for processing the VIP sludge. The LaDePa should then be turned on and the process parameters adjusted on the control panel. The fecal sludge is fed into the LaDePa heating section in the form of pellets produced by an extruder. After extrusion, the pellets are conveyed by a mechanical belt into the preheating zone, where they come into contact with the hot exhaust gases from the diesel engine. The pellets then pass into the drying zone, where they are exposed to infrared radiation from the banks of two successive emitters. At the end, dried and pasteurized pellets are produced. The dried and pasteurized pellets can be handled more safely, with minimum pathogen risk. The pellets are collected and stored in bags. They can be used as a fertilizer, a soil improver, or used as a biofuel.